Welcome. This is how to disable OneDrive on Windows. So guys, if you ever encounter this, I have two ways to do it. First thing is you could just simply go to the hidden trace over here and should be able to see your one cloud. And when you right click on it, you should be able to see the settings. But if you don't have one like this one, you could just simply go to your file manager or file explorer, and now from here you should be able to see your one cloud on the left side. Right click on it, you should be able to see here an option show more options, and you will have your settings. Now here on the settings tab, you should be able to see account on the left side of the screen. And now from here guys, you should be able to see unlink this PC, and you should be able to unlink your account over here. And as you can see, your OneDrive files will stop syncing locally. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.